Global share markets were mixed again overnight. US markets did squeak out a small gain after speculation mounted that the US Fed will throw more money at bond markets in an attempt to try and keep interest rates low and also to give their economy a boost along. The US Fed will meet next week. European markets were also mixed but also squeaked out a very small gain despite German investor confidence slipping again this month and UK inflation remaining above the 3% threshold for the 6th month in a row. The Japanese yen made gains against the US dollar after their Prime Minister held off a challenge from his party rival. This is likely to mean that the government won't intervene in currency markets and try and force the yen lower against the US dollar. The Kiwi dollar remains high against most major currencies on Wednesday morning, but it has backed off slightly against the Europeans. We're currently trading at 73.7 against the US dollar and are now under 57 against the euro. We are still above 47 against the pound. Once again, US government finances were in the spotlight on Monday after the US government announced a monthly budget deficit of over 90 billion US dollars. This was slightly better than expectations and was driven by higher taxes as a result of slightly better economic activity. But the US still has a very long way to go. This is their 23rd consecutive month of budget deficits and brings the annual total to over 1.25 trillion US dollars. An index of world food shows that prices have fallen by 18% since their peak in 2008. Undeveloped economies have actually come through the recession very well and were less affected. Therefore, their relative incomes have actually seen a bit of a boost. In any event, global food demand will stay high, keeping the global market tight for food supplies and being beneficial to suppliers like us here in New Zealand.